Posture is very important in hula. A lot of times you'll have a ballet dancer who tries to learn hula, or someone from a culture that has very strict posture or a very particular posture, and you can tell. So try to eliminate any existing, if you do yoga, ballet, whatever it is, eliminate whatever you think you know about posture. That's great for Pilates, yoga, ballet. We're dancing hula. We're not showgirls, we're hula dancers, okay? A lot of people struggle with that. Doesn't really mean anything much more difficult than holding your core, dropping your shoulders, relaxing them, rolling them back, and you bend your knees. It may not seem like a lot. You're probably thinking, why is that so much different? It just is. So this is the hula posture. Shoulders back, core in, bend your knees. Now let's get ready to learn some hula.